In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Travis space RILEA Connection Failed Error in COD Black Ops 7. First thing you want to do is you want to go to Steam here and just find the game. So here, as you can see, if you go to library here, let me just maximize this, and you find your game. So I will do this for this game. You can follow the same steps for your game. So you would right click on Call of Duty, and then you would go to properties, and then go to installed files, and then verify integrity of game files. This will basically verify that all installed files for Call of Duty are like the correct folders. So see if this fixes your issue. If you're still having issues, then you want to go here, type in run, and then type in %temp%, and then go OK. Now select everything, Control A, and then right click and delete. These are unnecessary folders. You can safely delete them. So once you delete these, you want to go here and go to C drive, and here you want to go to Windows. So here you want to go to prefetch, and inside prefetch select everything, Control A, and then safely delete all these folders. You don't need them, just delete everything. So once you do this, now you want to go and see if this fixes your issue. If you're still having issues, then I recommend going to CMD, right click, run as administrator, and then type in sfc/scan now, and then press enter. This will basically scan your computer for any errors, and if there is any, it will basically fix them and repair the folders. So see if this fixes your issue. Now if you're still having issues, then lastly I would recommend that you basically reinstall the game. So just right click and just delete the game and reinstall it. You can do this by going to manage, uninstall, then after that you want to reinstall the game completely, and this hopefully fixes your issue.